And the adventure begins. We are heading into the water here near Marco Island. We're gonna head over to the area near Tiger Tail Beach and Thousand Islands National Park. So stoked, right, honey?
Are you gonna get on the boat?
Yeah, I need to unstrap it first. Man, I'm so excited to take my grandparents on this boat ride. It's gonna be awesome. We're hoping we can catch some fish too. All right, looky there. It's time to make some memories on the Goddard barge.
Right now, yeah.
The biggest number. Okay, this round starts with Eli.
Yeah, I'm never.
Hey kids, look, it's the Gulf of Mexico. See that open ocean?
Yeah.
How many miles do you think that gulf goes straight? Do you think there is land on the other side? There is, right? Texas?
We're going to go
Mexico
swim.
and
We're
Texas?
going to go swim in the white sea.
We're gonna go to a beach, yeah.
Yeah.
Took a lot of work and a lot of gas to get here, but it is awesome. Good job, Evan. Oh, you can use your fingernails and pull off the tentacle on the squid. The bottom parts, yep. One tentacle at a time. Pull it hard, it'll come off.
With Gilligan. Hey, she wasn't very nice. I don't think I liked her.
All right, Minnow made it into the Gulf of Mexico.
Oh, that's the name of your boat, Minnow?
I'm naming it Minnow, yep.
What's its real name?
We're a little smaller than that boat over there, though.
Yep, a little bit. Down there is where the Easter service was.
McDonald's.
Got Ronald McDonald,
Captain Morgan.
Captain Morgan.
Yeah, that's
Another Ronald McDonald here.
that's
There's
funny.
the folks.
Hey, there it is, right there.
Yep,
See that pink building? That's it.
yep, there it is.
The blue and yellow umbrellas.
It is?
Yep,
Oh, but that's like the different. We always walk.
yep. Just pick it up into the boat.
Lavera.
Can you put it in
Lavera
this
now.
bucket?
Wow, looky
He's a
there,
cute one,
Grandma.
actually. He's a cutie.
Is that your first Florida fish?
That's the only
Florida
fish we caught.
fish.
Here's your catfish. Can you hold it underneath his fins here? Okay.
Oh, it's
Did you get one, Adrian?
You catfish.
Another catfish?
Oh, he needs to turn.
Good job, Lena. Nice job, Adrian. Evan, what'd you catch?
A catfish. And its eyeballs came out. Its eyeball came out.
Oh, well, I think it must have got hurt when he was younger, don't you?
Maybe somebody catched him and let him go.
1, 2, 3, throw it.
He did it.
Oh yeah, slime 5.
Poked me.
Oh, he poked you a little bit? Are you okay? Yeah, they do have spines. On the count of 3, say Gypsy Cafe. Happy birthday, Grandma and Grandpa.
Powerful.
It is a powerful fish.
Dad, isn't it almost stronger than you?
It's not stronger than me, but I have to be careful because the line isn't crazy strong.
That's definitely edible, though, right?
All right, don't.
It's under the boat.
No, let's hope he doesn't
And
touch
he
the
has
boat.
that YouTube angle.
It's under the boat. It's under the boat. You know what?
Once he has his head out of the water, he loses.
All right, we're getting close.
Yeah, there we go.
All right, I'm gonna
He's
try to
getting
keep-
tired.
What you do is you try to keep his head in the water. Ready?
The biggest fish in the
Not
day.
quite as big as I thought it was, but
Yeah.
that's still a good fish.
Biggest fish of the day, that's for sure.
Big up. Oh my God.
Wow. Here, watch out.
That looks like a bluegill. No, that looks like a
Oh
tuna.
my gosh.
That fish is
Oh, Eddie, I need the pliers.
It's so beautiful.
Where are they?
Well, no, he bit at it. He wanted it. That's where it landed. Yeah, just go up there.
I want to take a picture with you.
All right, kids, get around me.
Aaron,
Get around for a picture. Come on.
Come on, Isaac.
get him. Yay!
Good job, Aaron. Good job, Safira.
He's got teeth. Okay, we're getting ready to head out again into Florida. This time we're going to head more towards the Everglades and Thousand Islands National Park. We're really excited. My grandparents are picking up some live bait. I just fueled up the beasts, and I just am really pleased with how everything's going so far. Okay, we're on our way on Highway 41, heading towards the Everglades, and I still am in shock and awe that we get to trailer our pontoon boat this way and put in and head over to Thousand Islands National Park. It's gonna be so cool. And that we get to do it with my grandparents is even more special. All right, I want to know who sees an alligator first.
Yeah.
Okay? Let's see.
There's a tire. I seen the first tire.
Yeah, you did see the first tire.
No, I saw it. I saw it.
But you didn't call it. You didn't call it.
No, I saw it.
All right, so this is probably not the best way to fish, but we're fishing and swimming at the same time. Look guys, it's a manatee.
It's a manatee.
Look at him. Look how he pops his tail.
Mega wow!
A mega
I got this!
How was that, Eli?
Salty.
Salty.
I got some in my mouth and eyes.
All right, we're out on Panther Key. It is just beautiful out here.
All right, Aaron. What'd you get there, buddy?
All right, well, we got our first fish here on Panther Key. We got a little bonnethead shark.
It's a hammerhead shark. No,
It's a bonnethead.
I think it's like a cousin to the hammerhead.
Get away from him. You can touch his head too, just on top.
That is like
I'm
so
saying
crazy.
rub it this way,
And then rub it this way. Oh
and
my
then rub it
goodness.
this way. You feel it's sandpaper one way, and it's really smooth the other way.
What are you guys doing over here?
I'm building a pool.
Oh, a pool for the water? Wow, that's some good engineering, bud.
Dad, could you give this to Mom?
Is that pretty spot on it? All right, we hooked into another fish here. It's pretty big. We're having a hard time getting it in. Watch your net, Evan. Wait. All right, here's a Lenny's stingray she caught. It's pretty big.
Yep.
Nice, honey. Good job. That thing fought pretty
Yeah,
good.
it did fight pretty good.
Cool. Bye, buddy. High five, Lenny. Good job. All right, got another stingray.
Got another stingray.
Mom, be careful.
Stop.
Nice. You got another one real quick after that stingray,
They
huh?
should just like pop right on there. Yay, Grandpa! You got a stickfish.
Oh, yeah, it is. Pretty nice one there.
A nice stickfish
I
there
don't
going.
think we'll eat him, though.
Oh yeah, I think it is one. I think it is one. There it goes. It did look like it was fighting a little bit. Oh no. Aaron. It's a great big stick. It's a long. Oh my God, how does he keep catching sticks? Ow, it's this it's seaweed.
Yeah, that's a whole log, Grandpa. I got a big log. Get down there and pick it up.
He got a big stickfish.
He's really putting on a show for you.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, swim back out.
Felt like a big fish.
Yeah.
There we go. We got him. Might have been the same one I caught earlier. Looks very similar.
Pretty happy.
is a huge one.
Wow.
Jeez.
Don't do it.
Just
I was
like
gonna-
that, with your face not in the net. Oh, I can't see it. That's cute.
Good job, Grandpa.
Dude, that was an awesome cast. Giuseppe, you caught a Spanish mackerel. Look how pretty he is. He's got teeth, so be very careful. Sophia, stop. Lena, good job. Good job. She's got a shark.
Here, back up.
She's got a shark. She's gonna get hooked by this second. Just grab the line, dear. Oh no! Get it, Eleni. Get it! Yeah!
Say cheese. Good job.
Sophia!
Here's a nutball. He's chasing that little. Do you see? Oh, Evan.
Oh, you got like a mangrove snapper over here, Grandpa.
Can I eat that?
It's not very big. You got it.
Evan, what a beautiful
It's
fish.
a Florida fish. Some sort of snapper. I think it's called a mangrove snapper.
Oh, congratulations.
Here, Evan.
All right.
Whoa! Poor buddy.
Oh, that's it. Everybody good.
All right, go that way, Evan. Turn it that way. Found a pretty cool fishing spot here. Underneath the bridge.
Dad,
Haven't gotten any bites yet, though, have we?
Dad, I should be the first one to get one because
You didn't
I
catch
didn't get
one
one
yesterday?
yesterday.
All right, look here, everybody. Man, this is so cool, huh?
We can walk on a sandbank but in the water.
Yeah, it's like a sandbar, huh?
Yeah, it's a sand
A
beach.
sand beach.
There's a mud.
We're getting some good shots of Wonder Dog here. She looks really happy. On our third day boating here, we have found ourselves on a nice deserted island with coconut trees. My grandparents get them ready to watch the sunset. Giuseppe, what are you doing up there?
Getting a coconut.
Are you tickling that coconut?
Oh, I was getting down. Yeah.
Yay! You did it.
Yeah, I got 3 coconuts. This one's a little... Okay, are you okay?
You got that?
A little bit.
Well, I got 3 coconuts, but the sun is about to set, so let's go see that. Beautiful evening here on the island. All right, let's go back to the boat. Sun's going down. Hey, Sophia. Hey, you. Yeah, look.
It's going down.
There goes the sun.
Want to do this one here?
Yeah, let's do this one.
Try that.
How is it?
I just put it in there. they'll take it.
Mmm.
Is it cold?
Coconut milky. Yeah, it's cold.
Alright.
I want to try some.
It's hot. It's not the same.
Why does the big one?
I mean, you could go for a week drinking that and it'll feel good.
Yeah.
But then, oh, you'll go to party too.
Yeah. It's a laxative.
Oh no, excuse me, I'm gonna run to the restroom.
Got some big straws.
Ooh, what does that taste like, Evan?
Well, I guess the little one kind of
Does it
Tastes
taste like
coconutty?
almond milk?
almond milk.
Coconut milk? You can finish it,
milk.
Eli, okay?
Coconut almond milk.
What'd you think, Evan?
There's coconut milk in the fridge.
Yeah, this lizard right here can actually run on water, guys.
That feels
Good find, Evan. Careful, Eli.
Be gentle with it. Don't be mean.
He might bite.
He will bite. You better keep your face away, Adri.
Eli, stop hitting his
It's a
head.
good bite, I'll tell you that. It won't get a finger, but it'll give you a good bite.